This full-size Range Rover, it's a 2024 plate and it isn't going anywhere because it's protected with a Ghost-II Immobiliser. So we've got the key. If we got in, started the vehicle, it's going to fire up, the engine's going to start. But if this was a thief, they went to drive the car away, they pop it into gear and the vehicle cuts out. So they're unable to drive it. So what we've got to do, if it's us, we start the car, engine starts up. Before we put it into gear, we go for a unique code. We have a simple 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait for a double flash from the full beam. And then we can select our gear. The vehicle remains running and we can drive it. When we turn the car off, it activates pretty much straight away. So if someone grabbed this key when you got home, or they tried to steal the car, as soon as you pulled up, as long as you turn the vehicle off, a couple of seconds later, it's going to be active. And next time you start it, you're going to go through that code. If you don't, you pop it into gear and the car cuts out. This is a Ghost-II on a 2024 full-size Range Rover. Our number's 0208 212 7393. Give us a call to get one fitted.